Hello everyone, Happy New Year 2020. I hope this year brings great things for you and your family. For my first video of 2020, I'm going to be creating 12 what I'm calling hope cards. These are going to be mini cards, and what I'm going to do with them is I'm just gonna keep them and give them to people to cheer them up in case they're having a bad day or they just need a little pick me up. I'm going to be giving this away. So if you want to see how I make this, please keep on watching. So I got this pack of 12 mini blank cards with matching envelopes. These are 2 7/8 by 2 7/8, so almost 3 inches but not quite. So I got 12 of them, and these are the ones that I'm going to be using to make all of these hope cards. To start off these cards, I cut several panels that are 2 7/8 by 2 7/8 and 4 different types of papers. The first 2 papers, the orangey and pink flowers, are from Crafter Companions papers, and then the ones that look white with some flowers, those are from a card kit called Paper Society box kit. I'm going to be using my Tim Holtz mini stamp platform to stamp a sentiment on my blank cards. The stamp that I'm going to be using is also from Paper Craft Society kit that I got, and the stamp says, "Hoping you find strength with each new day." And in addition to that stamp, I'm also going to be using some tiny butterflies also from the same stamp set. And I'm going to be leaving a link to the website where I got the stamp set. I actually got it from Craft Stash. They are in the UK. So it actually took a while for me to get the set, but they are so nice. I'm glad I was able to get it, and it was worth the wait. So I'm going to be stamping these. 8 of them I'm going to stamp with blue ink that came also in the card kit, and 2 of them I'm going to stamp with black Ranger ink, and 2 of them I'm going to stamp with this kind of maroony with a hint of orange Ranger ink as well. And I'll leave links to what I'm using below in the description. Since I'm going to be doing a lot of stamping, I'm going to be speeding up the process, and I'm going to add a little music here until we get to the next step. So this is the last card that I am stamping the sentiment to. And actually the color is like a brownish with a little hint of orange. And the next thing that I'm going to do is adhere the panels to all of my cards. I'm going to be adding some tape runner to the panels, and then I'm going to add them to the cards. So this is the last card that I added the panel to, and the next thing that I'm going to be doing is stamping a heart with the word hope in it. I got this stamp from HSN. This is a stamp from a stamp set called Diamond Press Ultimate Faith Stamp and Die Kit, and it has a lot of really nice sentiments and different stamps, but I'm going to be using this one that says hope, and then I'm going to be using another one later in the video to stamp the envelopes as well. That I finished stamping all the little cards, I'm going to be stamping a sentiment on the actual little envelope. The sentiment is again from Diamond Press from HSN, and it says hope shines through. I thought it was quite nice and it will go well with the card. So I'm going to be stamping this on all the little envelopes, so I have 12 of them. So after stamping my last envelope, I ended up adding a little jewel to the middle of the heart to all of my cards just to give it a little sparkle. So I made 2 cards with this pink floral pattern. The next 2 cards are with this more orangey floral pattern, and then the rest of the cards I made with these papers that have blue and some spring flowers. And this picture shows all of the different cards that I made. As you can see, there are 12 of them. I really enjoyed making these cards, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Again, a happy new year, and I hope this 2020 brings great things for you and your family. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time.